Southern Maine's chicken recipes. Oven barbecue chicken thighs. Tasty chicken thighs are baked with a homemade barbecue sauce for a delicious everyday family meal. Grill seasoning flavors the chicken thighs, then they're seared and baked to perfection with a homemade barbecue sauce. If you need a shortcut, replace the barbecue sauce ingredients with about 1.5 cups of your favorite commercial barbecue sauce. Use boneless or bone-in chicken thighs in the recipe, preferably without the skin. If you use skin on thighs, brown the skin well before baking. Serve this chicken with baked potato salad or classic baked macaroni and cheese and coleslaw for a perfect meal. Total time, 65 minutes. Prep, 10 minutes. Cook, 55 minutes. Yield, 4 servings. What you'll need: 8 chicken thighs, 1 container grill seasoning, such as a mesquite flavored seasoning or spicy chicken seasoning, see below. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 cup ketchup. 3 tablespoons brown sugar, packed. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. 1 clove garlic, mashed and finely minced. How to make it. 1. Heat oven to 350 F, 180 C, gas 4. 2. Sprinkle the chicken thighs generously with the grill seasoning. 3. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken thighs on both sides until browned, transfer to a baking dish. If you left the skin on, cook it until the skin is golden brown and crisp. 4. If the skillet is not oven safe, transfer the chicken thighs to a foil-lined baking pan. 5. Combine the remaining ingredients in a small bowl. Spoon over the chicken thighs. 6. Cover the skillet or baking dish tightly with foil and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until chicken is tender. Serves 4. Tips and variations. Quick spicy chicken seasoning: combine 1 teaspoon of ground paprika with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon freshly ground pepper, and a pinch of ground cayenne pepper. Replace the ketchup, brown sugar, mustard, vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce with your favorite barbecue sauce. Add the garlic, if desired, and sweeten with some honey, agave nectar, or brown sugar, if you'd like. For some smoky flavor, add about ½ to 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke or a smoky mesquite seasoning. Add a sliced onion to the skillet along with the chicken thighs. Serving suggestions. For a beverage, iced tea is an excellent choice, or serve beer for the adults. A fruity white Zinfandel or rose would go well with a sweet sauce. Potato salad or baked potatoes, grilled or steamed vegetables, and coleslaw are good side dishes to consider. Baked beans and roasted vegetables go well with barbecued meat and poultry as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel please.